are going to do a pick a card reading for your love life in 2021. There are three groups. One group is yellow feather group, second one is pink feather group, and the third one is magenta color feather group. Which color attracts you the most? The color you choose. This is A group, this is B group, and this is C group. Pause the video for a little time, take 2 minutes time, and you think over which is attracting you the most, and then you stick on to that group. Now we are going to pick the cards for yellow group, that is the group A. One card I am going to take from Ascension card. We have got Ascended Master Retreats. One card from Crystal Angels, Fluorite. One card from Angels, Let Your Past Go. One card from Tarot, the High Priestess, and one card from Unicorn cards I am going to pick. Wishes, one card from Atlantis, you have got two cards in it. One is Dolphin and one is Pool of Energy, and we are going to take a affirmation card. Affirmation card we have got, dear friends, and now I am going to take a rune for you, Raido. Crystals for you, you have got a aventurine and a jasper. We'll go for the charms. In the charms you have got Wheel of Fortune and a feather. And now we are going for the magical numbers. Magical numbers 1111 and 398. And as far as the ignition code is there, I have taken two ignition code for you. One is hope, the other one is dance. Now we will go ahead and see what is stored for you this year in your love life. We have got the Let Your Past Go. So whatever relation you were there in the past, you are not happy, let all the past things go from your life. Make way for good things to come in. Don't let your past cling to your past. Be frank, be open, and go for a new outcome. And you have also got the card Wishes. It's a very great card, Unicorn card of Wishes. It says that now this time when you are wishing for a good love life, you are going to get a better one. Your love life will be good, all your wishes will be fulfilled. You can lead a very happy life. And the Ascended Master Retreat tells you, meditate those on your Ascended Master. Whoever is your Ascended Master, you can meditate on them. Meditating on them will help you to find your soulmate and your natural beauty and authenticity. You are very authentic, you are very beauty, you are very naturally beauty, so your beauty will attract a soulmate for you. This is the very good time for you. You will have lot of energy. Energy is there. This energy will help you to let your past go and again come forward and find a new soulmate in your life. It is the time for you to manifest your dreams, whatever your dreams you have, the dreams of getting a soulmate in your life, the dream of getting a Mr. Perfect, or getting the girl of your choice. This is the time to manifest. How you manifest? You manifest. The dolphin cards say that live lightly and wisely, bring joy, fun and laughter into your life. Be happy. Don't take anything to your heart. You think with wisdom and joy, you will have abundant pool of energy. This energy will help you to attract your soulmate this year. It's time for you to manifest again and again. You have got that. This is the time for you to manifest and get a guy in your life or get a girl in your life. And hope, don't lose your hope, because your past was not good. You need not lose hope that you are going to get a good partner. Yeah, definitely you are going to get a good partner, because the wishes card has come. It need not lose your hope should always be there for you in your life. And you have got the crystal jasper. Jasper is the stone of energy. It says that, and also in the pool you have got pool of energy. Both of them say that you have lot of energy. You will not lose your energy. You will go forward and you will find your right partner this year. Fluorite has come to Green Aventurine says that there is a change in your life. You will be happy. Your present life and your future life will be more good than your past years, and you will dance with joy, with the happiness you are going to have in your heart. So dance from your heart that you have got your best partner. Number 398 which has come to you, it says that the problem that you have let your past go because of your problems and misunderstandings with your past partner is going to end soon. You will come out of the problem. Your problem is solved. Your problem is solved in two ways. It is solved that your partner who was no more important for you has left you, and another problem that you getting a good partner. Both of them are going to manifest. You will get a good partner in your life. And the magical number 1111 says that this is a number which is a magical number. It says that opportunities will come your way. You will get an opportunity. You will go somewhere. You will be traveling or doing something where you will find that's where you are going to find your partner. You will be happy with your partner. And Raido says that everything, this process will happen in a jiffy, very speed, very fast. You can't make it out when you have come out of your. See the coincidence, what all card you have got. It says that you are going to get the opportunity and the angels are with you. You have got the charm feather. It says that the angels are with you in this transition. What a coincidence. And see the cards how they have come. One, you have got the card that let your past go, and another thing says that you will not lose hope. And again you have got that you are going to get opportunities and your problems will be solved, and wishes that you are going to get a partner and settle in your life, and you will have lot of energy to do that. And now coming to Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is the same thing. Let your past go and your wishes get fulfilled. So Wheel of Fortune is also the same thing. What the cards have come, same thing has come in the charms also. So you can know how much the universe is sending the sending messages for you. It is sending through cards, it is sending to charms, it is sending through numbers. You can know from all the directions that you are going to be perfect this year. Your love life is going to be perfect here. I am, the affirmation says, I am perfect exactly as I am. Be as you are. Don't change for anybody. If people want you to get changed, let the past go. You be as you are. and go for the future, and all your wishes will be fulfilled. But the thing is, no infatuation should be there. High priestess is there. It says that before taking a decision, you think wisely. Is it an infatuation or it's a real love? And then go ahead. You are authentic in your thinking. You are very attractive. You are very beautiful. So your wishes will be fulfilled very fast. Your energy will help you to gain what all you want in your life. So this year is going to be a very good year for you. All your past things will go and your future life will be very, very good. So go ahead, enjoy this life, guys. Now for group B, who all have chosen pink feather, we are going to take cards for them and we will see how your love life is going to be in 2021. First we will take the card, crystal card. Angelite has come. It's a very good card for you. And in the crystal card we have got heart chakra and affirmations, new experiences in life. And tarot card you have got Two of Pentacles. It's a card which needs lot of balancing, so you are supposed to do most of the balancing yourself this year. You have got Neptune card, and in the unicorn cards you have got soul satisfaction card, and Atlantis card we have got High Priest card. And now as far as the charms are concerned, miracle numbers 1111 and miracle number 517 has come for you. And as far the ignition codes are there, like very good, and day has come for you. And the charms, we'll go for the charms. You have got a lock. What is this? You have got a key also. So your destiny is going to open this year, and along with that you have got the symbol of Benz and aquamarine crystal and a jade crystal for you. Now runes, you have got Isa. Now we will see what is in store for you. This year is going to be a year where you have to make lot of decisions and balance. The Two of Pentacles says that, and you and your partner will have to do lot of financial decisions. You have to take financial decisions, whether you are going to purchase a house or you are going to purchase a vehicle. It is there for you. The Benz has come, so maybe you are going to buy a Benz this year. And for that, aquamarine has come, and an aquamarine is a crystal which is going to shower money on you, abundance on you. So taking the decisions according to the Two of Pentacles in the matter of money with your partner, it is going to definitely help you to buy a Benz or something like that, a very high-end car, and the money for it will come, as the aquamarine indicates that you are going to get a rain of money this year. And 1111, it says that opportunities are your way. You will not miss the opportunities. You are going to get the opportunities. And the universe has again confirmed this message by giving you the charm of lock and the key. So here we have got 1111, which is the opportunity number, and for that, as a proof for you, as a evidence for you, it has again sent you this lock and key, that your destiny is going to open, your good luck is going to open, your happiness is going to open, your financial condition is going to open to a better world, and you will be liking it very much. Like says, you will like all the transformations which are going to come in your life. Now we will go to the Angelite card. Angelite card says that you should mingle with like-minded people. You should be interacting with your friends. Increase the interaction of your friends. Increase the social contact so that you can get a new partner in your life. Heart chakra says that you will be giving importance to your heart rather than mind. You are a sensitive person. You are a person who works on heart and not on mind. It is a very good symbol. So the High Priest again says you should be careful when you are going to give more importance to your heart, there is problem that you may fall into trouble. You will have leadership qualities, you will be strong, you will be selfless, but people will be there who can take advantage of it. For you, everything above everything is your soul satisfaction. You give importance to your heart chakra and soul satisfaction. See the synchronicity what you have got. Heart chakra is there where it says that you give importance to your heart, and you have got soul satisfaction. It says that you give importance to your soul. You don't give importance to your mind, you don't give importance to money, you give importance to only to your soul satisfaction. And now high priest, it says that do selfless service. There is somebody above you who will guide you, a fatherly figure or a person who is in authoritative position who will guide you, and new experiences are there for you in life. New experiences that we have seen, that you are going to get lot of money and you are going to buy a house or buy a high-end car, and you are going to buy new things in your life. You are going to start a new life with your partner. So this is there in Neptune. Now there is a connection between Isa. Isa is a rune that says that all the unwanted things in your heart will go away, all the unwanted things in your life will go away, and there is a symbol and synchronicity between Isa and Neptune, because Isa is a rune that is ruled by Neptune, and you have got the Neptune card, so you can know how much synchronicity is there in this reading. And Neptune says that the archangels are with you. Archangels are there to help you. They will help you to download all the energy and messages from the angels for you, and you will be very happy. Your soul will be satisfied. Your soul will be satisfied that you have bought many new things in your life. You have started a new life with your partner. Your partner is very supporting to you. He is very good to you, or she is very good to you. She is very supporting to you, and you will be like Angelite says that you are the angel in his life, and new experiences will come. You will be safe. You will not land in any kind of problem because you are going to be safe this year. And you have got 517 number also. This says that Tara is going to help you. The angel Tara is going to help you. You can seek her help whenever you have confusions. This card says that you may have confusions regarding money and all. You have to do balance. At that times you take the help of Tara. She will help you to take the right decision. You have also got a Jade Wulu. Jade Wulu is says that you will have a robust health this year, and also that Jade is the symbol of money. You have got two symbol of money. One is aquamarine and one is jade. So your life is going to be full of money. You are going to experience new money in your life. You are going to go for a very high heights this year. Give importance to your heart. Don't let your heart this experience go. Give more importance to your heart. Then your soul will be satisfied and you can get new experiences. This day says that every day in life will be an experience to you. Every day will be a happiness to you. Every day you will grow in this year. Every day will be good for you. You can go for a high-end car. Your destiny will be opened. So your love life is going to be very good in 2021. Be happy. Enjoy, guys. Now we are going to the group C, Magenta Feather group, that is group C. How your love life is going to be in this year 2021, we will see. You have got the crystal card, angel card, Cupid, very good card. In the starting itself it says that you are going to get love in your life. Love is going to shower in your life. You will get your partner who you like, and when we see the angel card, you have got Topaz. Topaz is also a card of energy, card of happiness. And as far as your affirmation card is there. I am welcomed with joy wherever I am. So because you are welcomed by everybody with joy, Cupid also says that you will get a good partner in your life. And the tarot card says Two of Pentacles, there should be a balance in your life. And the Atlantis card, we have got that it says the Huna prayer for you. Huna prayer is needed for you to make your life more good this year. And you have got 12 chakras. And in the unicorn cards, you have got Archangel Gabriel. Hare, these cards are falling. Let me keep it. Archangel Gabriel for you. And now, as far as the numbers has got 808, it's a wonderful number. And 400 is a very, very beautiful number you have got. And in the ignition code, you have got shine. You are welcomed everywhere and you are going to shine in this life. And you have got with it time. Yes, time. This time is going to be very good for you. You can achieve many things in life. And you have got the rune Berkana. Berkana is of abundance and Berkana is of giving you good things in life. You have got the crystal azurite malachite and you have got the crystal mookite here. Ruby and fuchsite here. And the charms, you have got the Eiffel Tower and you have got the camera. Now we will see how this year is going to be as your love life is concerned. Because first itself you have got the card Cupid. It says that your love life is going to be very good. You are going to get a very good partner this year. Your life will be very good and Archangel Gabriel will help you. He will shower his white light on you and help you to get your partner. You have to make mistakes. There may be more than one partner you are going to get. So you will have to do a decision where you have to take the decision so you will get more than one partners and you have the problem. You will face the problem that whom to choose and whom not to choose. That you should be very careful. And the 12th chakra card says to you that remember from your heart what you truly want. What you want, you are very you have untapped and enormous psychic powers with you. With that psychic powers, you can make out who is the best partner for you. Go slow. For the number 808 says that you are going to get shower abundance of money this year. So your partner will be a rich person. He or she will be in a position greater than you. And so your life will become more good. And time, this is the perfect time to choose your partner. Make the choice because you are welcomed by everybody. You are going and Cupid is there for you. You are going to get many partners this year. Be careful and choose who is the right partner for you. And Mookite says that Ruby and Fuchsite says that you are going to get the partner whom you wish and it is going to bring enormous joy in your life. Your life with your partner will be a path of roses for you, but you should be careful while selecting your partner. You should not choose a wrong partner, but you will not choose a wrong partner because Archangel Gabriel is always with you. With his white light, he is going to show you who is the right partner for you and you will shine very well. You will shine among your partners. Everybody will feel like having you. And the Eiffel Tower and camera says that you will be going for vacations abroad with your partner. And you will be very happy and you will feel joy, happiness. You are welcomed with joy, so they will definitely you will feel joy and your partner will also feel joy going with you on long vacations. And Berkana says that you will go and you will have a lot of money to go. And again Topaz, when we see this Topaz and Cupid has a very good combination. It says that you have love life and this says that happiness is more and more there for you. So we can perceive that your love life is going to be very good. And this number 400, it says that open your heart so that you will be you can choose you yourself, question yourself, and see who is the right partner for you, whom you have to choose, who is going to be good for you. And this Malachite Azurite says that again it is a combination, amalgamation of two stones. It also says that you will be difficult in finding the right partner. You will have some problems in choosing who is the right one, because you will be welcomed by everybody with joy. So many partners will come this year for in your life, but you should be careful in choosing who is the right partner for you. At that time, you take the help of Gabriel, you ask him, and here you are asked to do a Huna prayer. The angels have sent you a Huna prayer. Doing this Huna prayer will help you to choose the right partner of you. How to do the Huna prayer? Just sit in a calm place, keep your palms open, and say, "May the rain of blessing fall, so be it. May the rain of blessing fall, so be it. May the rain of blessing fall, so be it." Repeat this for 30 days, and you will find the right, you can choose the right partner. You will have a very happy life. You will have, you will find time and space to be happy for yourself. You will go for long vacations. You will shine in your life. You will have abundance in your life. But somebody, if they are, if more than one partner are there, they you are not able to choose the right partner, then you make the Huna prayer that will help you to choose the right partner. 808 says that you will get more opportunities, more money in your life. Choose the correct partner. Cupid will help you to choose the partner right for you. And Archangel Gabriel is going to be with you all the way in choosing the right partner. This year is going to be very, very good for you. Make the choice correct. You will shine well, and this time is appropriate for you to get the right partner. Open your heart, open your heart, open your heart, and forgive everybody who are not up to your mark, and go for the person who, he or she, whom you think that they are the correct person for you. If you are not able to do the choice, go for the Huna prayer. Your life will be good, you will shine well, and this is really a good time to shine well and be happy with your partner. Your love life is going to be very, very good this year. Enjoy. If you like this channel, kindly like it, subscribe it, and share it.